Hi guys, if you have never washed the engine after changing the oil, or have recently bought a car and don't know exactly the condition of the engine, or water has mixed with oil, then it would be better to rinse it. Then there are many means for this, such as 5-minute remedies. They are poured into the oil that will change, and you will need to wait for a while. Then we drain the used oil and replace it with a new one. There are also soft oil. They are poured into the oil in the engine and it removes varnish and fresh deposit without harming the engine. And the last cleaning method is cleaning oils. You need to completely drain the used oil, then add the cleaning oils in full and drive on it. Then with drying and change to a new oil. Same also wash the engine with diesel fuel. Pour it into the place of oil and start the engine. You can't do that at all. The engine after this procedure is not completely cleaned. Only fresh plug, varnish turn from parts and that's it. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like.